I will definitely tell you, lay down that glue before you cut that lace. Do it all before you start cutting the lace, because once you cut that, you kind of lose the thing that's helping you kind of stay steady and hold it down. Y'all are gonna see me hold down this lace band several times in this video. When I say several, I mean like about 10 times. You're gonna see me use this band to lay down the lace because it's just totally necessary, especially with this braided wig, to really make sure that it's steady and down, because yeah, there's no glueless here. And another thing, please also make sure that, I will say, I recommend not wearing a wig cap. One, it's just making it tighter in general, and two, it's kind of like, unless you want to sit down and really color your wig cap, then that's fine. You're just gonna see it a lot. And also, I recommend really coloring the lace. I use a mousse, like a tinted mousse, which is great. It definitely worked better when I take the wig off. It's not in this video, but I took my wig off again later on in the week, and I put the tinted mousse on while the wig wasn't on my head. It definitely helped color the lace more. But if you are a girly or a person or whatever that has makeup, like the lace makeup, they have it on Amazon for like $7, then definitely use that. I even recommend just putting it on the wig before you put it on your head, so the lace is not looking ashy like that. You'll also see me try a few different gluing methods here. I tried the tape at first. I'm still learning with the tape, so like definitely you need to use tweezers for the tape. It always works for some reason on the top of my forehead, which really pays off because it's kind of like the anchor of the wig for me. But when I tried to do it on the sides, it wasn't really working, so then I just started to use that white glue. I'm an impatient person, so if you are not, you want to layer that glue a few times. And usually if you want that like wig to stay down for like a good week or so, I usually take my wig off every like 3 days, so I don't mind it not having that much glue. But the tape I really like. You just got to know how to put it on and make sure that you're using them tweezers. I'm almost positive I had to shake that mousse. I think it was recommended before applying, so that's why you see me doing that. I definitely applied a lot of that tinted mousse. Just be careful with that. Don't apply it too much. Like, obviously nothing's gonna happen to you. My skin was fine, but it's just, it was a lot. It was a lot of mousse. way too long. They're probably gonna get cut again. I don't like extra long baby hairs on me. Like, I feel like I don't need that.